Key. Let's take a quick look at Delphin Deluxe Resort and see if it's worth your stay. This 5-star resort is known for its world-class service, pristine cleanliness, and stunning beachfront location. Whether you're here for relaxation or adventure, there's something for everyone. The rooms are modern, spacious, and well-maintained. Guests love the variety of dining options, from buffet spreads to gourmet a la carte restaurants, offering flavors from around the world. From sparkling pools to a private beach, the resort delivers plenty of relaxation and fun. Daily entertainment, kids clubs, and evening shows make it great for families and couples alike. Guests rave about the friendly and attentive staff, as well as the spotless rooms. Some say the entertainment could be more varied and occasional noise can be an issue, but overall, it's a top-rated experience. So, is Delphin Deluxe Resort your next holiday destination? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel insights.